This is the help screen and this is how to fix like a sneaker app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial. So just simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first one is just go to your Google Play Store guys. And then from here on the top, just search for Nike sneakers. And guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, for the second solution is just go to your settings and go to the apps over here. Then from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. And now try to find Nike sneakers. And once you find it guys, just tap on it. And then from here, just tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix your application. And guys, if that doesn't work, all you need to do is reinstalling the app on your device. So first things first, uninstall it on your device, and then after that you can just go back to your Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there you should be able to have a working and Nike sneakers app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.